City life,
Today I go
or
to the salon.
ostriches in a village. One couple made a crazy choice. Listen,
Luxury? Yes.
take the quiz. Answers revealed at the end. Subscribe and watch now. Let's start.
The city is loud. The city is busy.
Oh no. Morning again.
Funny, Billy. Good morning, La. Today is a beautiful day. Max, today I go to the salon. Then cafe. Then shopping.
Mary,
Every day the
salon.
Yes! Yes! I love the salon. I love coffee. I love the city.
I am very tired.
Who is tired in the morning? A. Mary. B. Max. C. Bella. What does Mary want to do today? A. Go to the bank. B. Go to the salon, cafe, and shopping. C. Walk Bella in the park. What does Mary want to do today? A. Go to the bank. B. Go to the salon, cafe, and shopping. C. Walk Bella in the park.
Max is at work.
Max, are you okay? I am tired. I work every day. I want a new life. What kind of life? A quiet life. A simple life in the countryside.
Where does Max want to live? A. In the city. B. In the countryside. C. In a cafe. True or false? Max works every day. Max wants a simple life. Max wants to stay in the city. Max is tired. Max's colleague is happy.
Max! Look! New cafe! So beautiful!
Mary, I want to talk.
Okay.
Okay. I am tired of the city. I want to move.
Move? Where?
To the countryside.
No.
I want to open a farm.
An ostrich farm?
Yes, an ostrich farm.
Where are Max and Mary in this scene? A. At work. B. At home. C. At the cafe. Where are Max and Mary in this scene? A. At work. B. At home. C. At the cafe.
I love the city. I love cafes. I love shopping. I love salons.
I know, honey.
I hear you.
Big house. Beautiful house. Fresh air. New life.
Big house?
Yes! Big house! Luxury? Yes!
Okay, but I want a beautiful house.
Deal!
1 week later. Max and Mary go to the village. Max, where is the city?
Nice. No city. Only nature.
Where are caves? Caves?
No K's.
Where are shops?
No shops.
Max, don't like this. And why are there chickens on the road?
True or false? Mary loves shopping. Max promises a small house. Max says the house will have fresh air. Mary immediately agrees without thinking. Max and Mary make a deal.
Here! Our new home!
Max,
Max, yes?
this is the house.
Yes! Big house!
This is not a big house. This is small, old, broken.
Yes! Big house!
What does Max say? A. Small house. B. Big house. C. Old house.
Soon, my ostrich farm, beautiful and full of life.
Hello, you want to see the farm?
Yes! My future farm!
You want to see the farm?
This is the farm?
Yeah. Well, welcome. Real life.
I thought it would be bigger, cleaner, better.
Good luck.
We fix it? If you want. I don't know.
Max's dream is big. The farm is small.
True or false? Max is excited at the beginning. The farm is new. Max thinks the farm is better than he expected. Vassal laughs. Max knows how to fix the farm.
Hello. New neighbors.
Hello.
Hi.
I am Vasil. I live here. Do you like chickens?
Max! Chickens like you! I like chickens! Wow!
Hello, I am Galia.
Hello.
I bring eggs. Eggs.
Eggs?
Yes, fresh eggs from my chickens.
Oh,
Thank you. Do you cook?
no. I don't cook. You will learn! Max!
What does Vasil ask Maria? A. Do you like coffee? B. Do you like chickens? C. Do you like the house? Does Mary cook? A. Yes. B. No. C. Sometimes.
Stella, stop! Lex!
Hello,
Oh.
I bring eggs. Oh no. You learn.
Evening sits tired. Bella sleeps.
Max,
I miss the city.
Mary,
Give me one chance. Okay.
I,
Max has a dream. Mary has a problem. They have a small house, a broken farm, and many chickens.